In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A50, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated light wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by downloading this app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then select Consent, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Following that, use those three lines at the bottom right one, select Set as Live Wallpaper and hit Yes. Then click on this gear at the top right corner. Manage all of those options however you want to. Go back and hit Set Wallpaper. Then decide where you wish to apply it by clicking on one of those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!